Upon entering, meron tayong bathroom, toilet, and bathtub. Tapos, may TV and then the bed. Fits 2 people. Pero this room wala siyang window. And meron kayong maliit na table for your food and drinks. And meron din hair blower